first one is cos hyperbolic x plus sin hyperbolic x, which is equals to e to the power of x. Similarly, if there is cos hyperbolic x minus of sin hyperbolic x is equals to e to the power of minus x. So let's prove this one. As we know, the cos hyperbolic x formula is e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x by 2. Then the sin hyperbolic x formula is e to the power of x minus of e to the power of minus x by 2. So we are taking this LHS side to get the RHS side, that is e to the power of x. Now on solving this, we get the LCM will be 2 and e to the power of x plus